How much for this one? I like how much? Everybody's here.
Hello, my beautiful family. Will you shop at my 12th market on a rainy day? Yes or no? You can write that in the comment section. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Ojuolape Space. Today, we are at my 12th market in Lagos, Nigeria. And as you can see, it's raining heavily. I didn't expect this rain. Actually, I thought it will stop at a point, but for where this rain did not stop. It's like this rain really mean it today. So, as you all know, come rain, come sun, will always bring you the prices of food item inside Lagos markets, especially my 12 international markets. The market that never sleep and never stops. You see this market today, the buyers and sellers are still busy. And we are here to check the latest prices of fresh food items, especially tomato, pepper, bawa, onions. But I'm sure this rain might not allow us. But well, let's get inside the market, the main market, to see if we'll see vendors selling inside my 12th market. Hey, before you click out, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, give this video a like, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our weekly market price updates.
Yes, madam. How much? Baga. How much? 58. 40.
Oh, baka. Hey, Majoko Dalla.
Sir?
52. 55 Jale. How much pay?
Excuse me. I'm a fair pajama.
Yes, madam.
Okay, you bring 45. How much is this one? How much? 55,000.
So, yeah.
Oh, fine, era. Yo.
Good morning. How much is tomato?
4,000.
4,000. How much is this one? How much, oh?
5,000.
Okay.
Who's coming back?
How much is tomato?
Madam, 5-5. How much you want to pay?
5 4 encore.
Pay for 5. 3 for 5. Pay for 5. How many last guys you want to check out?
3 5 encore. Multi check.
This one has been taken over.
How much tomato? How much?
I get 3,000.
3,000.
Come here. Madam.
I don't soon see.
Excuse.
Madam, how many? What is your size?
How much?
I should about 3-5.
3 5.
That's 4-5. That's 4-5. What is your size?
Me, fele. 6,000. Many?
4,005 long back, darling.
4,005. 4,000. Eh? Hey, Joe. Excuse me.
Yes, madam.
Wallahi ka alke nuna mu Allah wato ko da aka rike mana wani ka zo ne ka taba ne
Shiga mu je.
Allah ma sai ka dan yake zaman kana Allah
Baba, hey, Joe.
Eh, mai gida. Yes.
Kai za ka yi haƙuri kai baya.
Hey, Joe, my fair boss. Yeah. Good morning. How much? Okay.
Yo, good morning, ma'am.
How much?
20.
20,000.
How did this one? What should you do? Hold it down. Ma'am. What is this? This is the only good animal. That's the religion. Madam, you want buy? Small money, eh? Small money. Da.
30 from 30.
Hello, darling.
26.
26.
Allow 26.
I thought it's 22.
30 don't have a.
da kuro mana
Young Puri.
How many years?
How much?
This one 26, how much?
26.
Stop. Hey, don't buy.
How much? 35. Not be 26. Now which type is this one different? No, they push person. Hey, no. Yes. Good morning. How much do they sell?
30 they say. How much you want to make go tell that?
30.
How much?
My lovely family, can you believe that despite the heavy rainfall, many traders are open for business? Tomato buyers flooded the entire market. The market activities are still going on as if the rain is not pouring, as if there was no rain. I now realize that this is the reality of buying and selling in one of the biggest food markets in West Africa, and why this place is called International Market, the biggest food hubs in Lagos. Have you ever shopped inside the rain? Tell me about your experience in the comment section below.
How much this one?
This one 110, 110.
110. May I go past that side? How much a day big on? How much? 35. How much last?
How many baskets you want to buy?
Now one.
I have blue money.
Hello.
How much you want to buy?
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi á kú oríire o, guys. This is good news. Today, fresh tomato prices have reduced compared to previous market days, compared to last week vlog. Yeah. So these are different varieties of tomatoes available today in the market. We have the Cameroon tomato, we have the Jos tomato, we have Abeokuta tomato, those small tomatoes, very small. We have Ghana tomatoes, but Ghana tomatoes, they are actually not much in the market. We just have few. Then we also have the Yoruba tomato in the market today. So if you are buying for your own restaurants or food businesses, this may be a very good time for you to buy because the price had come down.
Guys, from inside my 12th market, inside this rain, let's get to the peppers. 2,000.
Now, let's check the prices of fresh pepper. Pepper is still available despite the rain. I will show you today's prices so you can compare them with your prices in your area. For the pepper sellers, they had to cover their pepper, that is their market, because of the rain. So you might actually not see much pepper, but they have pepper now in the market.
How much for this one? I like how much? 110. Jale. 110 for that sack. $5,000. 5,000. How much is this one?
This one? 50.
50. She didn't ask you answer. Hello, look me.
25.
25.
How much go pay?
7.
How much?
7.
One year was 25.
Buy this one.
So one year around 25.
Last week, $200. Buy baby. You know, buy boys. Go ahead and go tell them. Auntie.
Good morning, sir. How much is ginger? Paint rubber. 27. This is dry. Oh, then. This is dry. So, hello, Nidale. Inside my 12. Still raining. No. So the Yoruba session is also, you can see everybody discovering their markets. So this area, so they sell Yoruba. For one. 3. Kilo, 1.5. Yeah. So this is Cuba. How much for bag? How much? 8,000. Mama how much is this one? Yes. 6,000. 8,000.
My lovely family, unfortunately, we could not check the prices of onions today. The heavy rain flooded the onion section of the My 12 market, actually making it difficult to reach. So hopefully we will bring you the latest onions prices, maybe in our next market price update. So guys, I saw these guys, the wheelbarrow guys. I saw them with new yam. I was like, ṣé iṣu tútù ti dé ni? I was like, do I have new yam? Because last week I was here, there was no new yam. So when I saw, I was like, okay, let me quickly get to the yam section of My 12. And you can see the sellers, they cover their goods. So I was like, okay, I can just move around and see if I will see anyone selling new yam and that I can get the price of new yam. So guys, if you're watching, you've not subscribed, don't forget to click on that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to click on that notification bell. So let's look around. Although they don't have much people selling new yam, but I can see some people selling new yams now.
How much for yam? Nobody's here. How much for the efuru? Good morning. How much?
775.
This small one. 4-5. Unko.
See how when I buy. No go lie, go say
Now how much last? Oh, me, Kale. Man, 4-5. Now how much? 5, 1, 2, 3. How much for 6?
6 now 27.
No potato. There's no potato. How much for potato?
2,000.
2,000, 1,000.
Sarah.
Huh? Hey. Excuse me. Who is selling?
Amanda.
This one.
No, this new one will not be this old one.
I know. This size are bigger size.
Not 2 size.
Yeah, nah.
Hello,
That one
Lele.
give you pass this one.
How much is this one?
This one. Buy 5. That one. 7,000.
This one. That one 5,000. 5,000 for this one.
That one, a big one.
It's even a new yam.
If in that way, no cheat.
Hele carry o.
Hele,
It's small.
how much you buy this one?
4 nko.
4,000 for this one. 5.
For one no.
I know now. Mike, Okay, like how many you want buy?
5.
5 pieces.
Yeah.
Which size you like buying?
Size that is big size like this.
For how much?
5,000.
Do you want 6 5? Make we can do some for you. I won't do it
This
for you
one
because of
six
tomorrow,
five.
but
This
I
one
know
is
say
small now. I can't take this one 6.5.
say this
Ah,
one
it's small now. And new yam
So how
for that
much?
matter. No.
small. Okay,
Let
how
me
much
take
is
this one 5,000.
okay,
Now
do you want
6.5.
6 5?
That
Do you
one.
want 6,000? Now come out at because
Guys, I don't know why New Yam will be expensive. As in, that's just one tuber of yam, 6 5 7,000. Small yam. I was even thinking if we have new yam, the price is going to be more cheaper. But now wow. You can write in the comment section if you have started seeing new yam in your area and how much they sell it now.
ṣé ẹ tún padà ẹ padà wá dáwó sí ní 40. èmi ò fẹ́.
35, 37.
kí ni tí ẹ fẹ́.
37.
ọlọ́run kan ló tiẹ̀ ní o má gbọ́.
I want to say thank you for joining me on today's rainy day market prices updates. Checking off prices of item inside my 12 international market here in Lagos. I hope this video helps you stay updated on the latest food prices in Lagos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Ojuolape Space. So, guys, which food item would you like me to check out next market day? You can write that in the comment section. So, guys, we are in the rainy season. Stay warm and take good care of yourself. Bye.